How to remove a background from your InShot app. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the app on your mobile phone. So once you open it, you'll be able to see the in create new section. There is video, photo, and college. So just choose a video for now, and let me tap the new button, or you can also select the video from drafted. So let me choose the video from draft for now. So once you tap on it, you can see there is lots of tools available to edit your video, and at the left side you can see there is canvas option. So just tap on it, and now you can see there is a background option in here. So just select the background, and you can see there is background option in here. So if by chance if your background is enabled, simply tap on the cross icon at the left side of the blur section. So once you tap on it, you can see there is black background on in the screen. So what you can do is simply zoom in the photo, or I mean video, and once you do it, simply tap on right button or down option shown in the screen. So once you tap on it, you will be able to remove your background from your InShot app successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to remove background option or background from your video or photos in InShot app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.